In this video, I will guide you how to insert picture in a box in MS Word like this one. So I'm deleting this one. First, you need to go to the insert and click on the shapes and pick a rectangle shapes and drag the mouse to draw a rectangle shape. Now right click and go to the format shape. And on the right side you will see that a basket. You need to select no fill, and here you can select the color of your line. You can increase or decrease the transparency as per requirement. Increase the width of the line. Now here is the compound type. You need to click on this and select this double border. You can see that the border has been splitted. And now head to the picture or texture. Click insert, go to the from a file and select the picture of your choice. I'm selecting this picture and here you can see that. And moreover, you can head to the this effects tool and you can go to the glow and give some glow if you need it. Increase the size of glow, increase the transparency as per needed, and you can play around other tools as well. So this way you can insert picture in a box in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.